Pioneer MVH S230BT Review. Best Budget Single DIN Bluetooth Car Stereo for Easy Upgrades. If you're looking for an affordable way to upgrade an older car stereo with Bluetooth and USB, the Pioneer MVH S230BT is worth a closer look. But does this budget receiver actually give you everything you need for a modern car audio setup? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The MVH S230BT is a single-DIN digital media receiver designed as a simple replacement for older factory stereos. It includes built-in Bluetooth for hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming, along with a front USB port for compatible music files. It supports common formats including MP3, WMA, and WAV, while Pioneer's advanced sound retriever is designed to improve the quality of compressed audio. You also get 4-channel amplification, with up to 50 watts of maximum power per channel, plus a 2-volt RCA preamp output if you want to connect additional equipment. One of the biggest advantages is simplicity. If your car already uses a standard single-DIN opening, this can be a straightforward way to add basic modern features without replacing the entire audio system. But there are limitations. This is a basic receiver, so don't expect Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a touchscreen, built-in navigation, or a camera input. The display is also much simpler than what you'd get from a modern touchscreen head unit. So, who should buy it? The MVH S230BT makes sense if your main priorities are Bluetooth, USB playback, hands-free calling, and better control over your car audio without spending a lot. But if you want smartphone integration, a touchscreen, or advanced infotainment features, you'll probably want to spend more on a higher-end receiver. If you want to check the latest details or buy this stereo, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know if you choose a simple stereo like this or go for a touchscreen upgrade.